Hello to all of you guys. Today we are going to show you the best farm machinery videos that you will enjoy watching. If you want more such videos to come, you can support us by liking this video. First, tunnels are established. Tunnel locations are prepared parallel to the wind. The condition of the terrain along the tunnel is relatively different. In general, the underground watermelon facility is established as a tunnel of 12 and 14 meters in width, 100 and 120 centimeters, 50 or 60 centimeters. The distance between the two tunnels is 80 centimeters from the outside. Because of this plan, the meter is to protect duality. Tunnels are built on embankments that are raised 15 and 20 centimeters from the ground. Embankments are being built. For tunnels, 4 and 6 millimeters irons are used as material. They are bent over a half moon, one end of which is driven at 15 and 20 centimeters. The sticks are planted at 1 to 2 meters intervals. Between 7 and 13 rods are used in a tunnel. Watermelon roots can be found mostly at a depth of 40 to 50 centimeters and closer to the surface. Watermelons, which grow widely on the soil surface, can have a trunk of 3 to 4 meters in suitable conditions. The leaves of the crop, which is distinguished by its slightly hairy branches, draw attention. With its sliced and slightly veined leaves, watermelon crops with 5 yellow flowers can produce fruits that differ from each other according to their species. Depending on the species, the size, color and seed ratio of the fruit may vary. In order to get quality products in watermelon cultivation, thinning is required. Depending on the size of the variety, 1 to 3 fruits are usually left on a crop. Thanks to the watermelons that are plucked when they are still small, other fruits ripen better. The side seats that do not have fruit on them are cut off from the bottom and pruned. Tip removal is done to prevent the main shoots from getting too long. In this way, fruit growth is strengthened instead of grading. Japan's watermelon producers sell it both to the domestic market and abroad. The first square watermelon was produced 30 years ago by a farmer in Kagawa in the southwestern part of the country. The cubed watermelons are placed in a metal cage while being grown. As the watermelon grows, it takes the shape of this cage. The same technique can be applied to other agricultural products. The history of apple cultivation dates back to BC. The homeland of apples is the southern Caucasus, which includes Anatolia. Cultured apple cultivation is carried out throughout our country, and the passage areas between the northern Anatolia, the Black Sea coastal region, the central Anatolia and the eastern Anatolian plateaus and the lakes region in the south constitute important cultivation areas of apples. Apple, it is an important fruit for health, which can exist in 12 months of the year, contains cure, vinegar, fruit juice, vitamins, enzymes that. Melon is an annual plant. Its body is hairy, its arms are wrapping, and its leaves are 5-lobed. The melon plant has 2 types of flowers. These are male flowers and female flowers or urselic flowers. Male flowers are on the main branches, and female or urselic flowers are on the side branches. Honey bees play an important role in transporting the pollen of the melon. Melon is a hot and warm climate plant. Pears grow best in deep, permeable, warm, well-drained, loamy soils in order to obtain abundant fertile trees and high-quality fruits. Two main types of rootstock are used for pears, depending on the soil they grow in and the size of the trees to be obtained. The most used rootstock are pear seedlings. Orange trees are usually propagated by grafting. If we want to grow an orange tree from seed, we need to know that an orange tree grown from seed will not bear fruit for the first 10 to 12 years or more. Even this tree may not bear fruit throughout its life. In addition, this tree will also be susceptible to various diseases. For these reasons, commercial orange growers never prefer this method. They prefer to use the grafted seedling method. In this way, they benefit from a tree that is a combination of a healthy tree and a productive orange tree variety. Thus, they can achieve a good yield after 2 to 3 years.